So in last class, we have discussed about the variables and as well as the data types. So tell me, are you able to understand? Did you understand all the topics, whatever we had discussed last two classes of related to Java?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So did you practice any first program? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you get the output?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you people have installed the JDK in our local, and did you get to see the Java version?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Good. Keep it up. Now, so yesterday we have discussed some data types as well as 1 minute, guys. I need to share. Okay. So last we discussed these data types. We have number type, decimal type, character type, and Boolean. And for if you need for word related, we have the string. This what is this array? I will tell you later. And regarding class also, we will discuss whenever we start the OOPS concept. In depth, we will discuss about the class. As of now, consider that whatever the code we written, that code will be under the class. Okay. There is much story like how if we have two classes, can we create two classes in one file? Yes, we can create two classes in one file. How to create that? How to access from one class file to another class file? There was a good story. Okay, coming to this one. So yesterday this byte short int maximum people will use int. Okay, and after that float double the float the people will use double if they need the decimal numbers. Okay, and this is a character. If you want any one character related, this is a character. This is the Boolean type. The syntax are variable. What is the syntax? Data type and variable name. So as per this discussion, whatever we had discussed yesterday, today we are going to discuss about today we are going to discuss about few programs related to these data types so that we can understand what was the background. So yesterday we have already completed by explaining taking one program in the console mode. We have executed the program. Today we are going to the Eclipse. Okay. Now, first of all, open the Eclipse. Already have the Eclipse. Okay. This is the one Eclipse. Okay. Now, so you can see here there is a one program, one project. You can see
Sir.
this is one project. Now you have to create. Now open your Eclipse. When open our Eclipse, okay. After that, what you have to do is you have to click on File. First, click on File. Go to New. Here you will see the must list. The list is Maven project, Enterprise Application project, Dynamic Web project, this application client, static, JPA project, JavaScript, CSS. You can see everything you can see here. Different type of projects. But did you see any Java project here from this list?
No, sir.
Yes. At starting time, at starting time, we are going to discuss about without Maven project. Actually, the people in the real-time industry, we will use the Maven project. Now, currently, they are going with the dynamic web project or enterprise application project. This one, dynamic web project, Spring related, the Java, advanced projects. They are going with these projects. Why they will go means if they go with this dynamic or enter application project, what happens? They no need to configure many things. I will tell you what is the use of Maven project, with Maven project and without Maven project. First, we will go with the without Maven project. First one, click on project. Click on project. Now you have to see. Now you can see the Java project.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now select this Java project and click next. Now you are able to see the new window.
Yes, sir.
Now what you have to do, you have to give the project name. Suppose let us think date our we are practicing on the data types. Let us hope. My project name is data types. Because whatever the project name we are giving, that should be relevant to our content. Okay. Now, yesterday we have installed what we have installed? JRE, right? JDK we have installed, right? That is 21
Yes,
version. Suppose if you have installed any 8 or 9 version in your local, then click on this drop down and select your 1.8. See, the last one is 1.8. 8 or 1.8. You can go with this one. Whatever you have downloaded, you have to select that one. Okay. Now your Java SC20, go with Java SC21. Now, don't touch anything. Click on next.
Okay.
See, whenever I clicked on next, can you see here? A project is created.
Yes, sir.
That project is name is what the project name we have given data type. So that is the one here. Next one. Under this data types, here you can see this is the preview. In this preview, you can see the source folder. Data types under we have one more folder, that is source folder. Let us click on finish. Whenever you got this window, click on no. Now click on this. Yeah. Now under the data types, how many folders we have? One folder, source folder, right? Under this we have one file, that is .java file. Okay. Now, sir, what is this? See, this one is the library file. I told you now Java program will execute without JDK or with JDK? With JDK. So that is the
JDK.
reason here in the Eclipse, we can see all the compilers, all the JDK related stuff here.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Now here you will see one thing. See, JDK compiler, you can see compiler we have here. Yeah, see here Java.compiler we have here.
Yes, sir.
So everything we see, whenever if you use any database related, if you use any database, then you have SQL related. Okay. Now we have the JRE library also. Again, we have the source folder also. If I open this one, you can see module info data, some module data types, one file is created. This file is just for, you can remove this one. You can, what you have to do, select this file. You can close and remove this one. Select this file, right click and click on delete. It will ask you delete file. Yes. Okay. Now file has been deleted. What is the next step? To start a program, first what we have to create? We should have one file, right? .java file. To execute a program, what should we have? We should have one Java file. To create a Java file, select this source, right click on it. Okay. Go to new. Here go to class. See, again I'm saying, select source, right click on source, go to new, go to class and select this one. Did you see now one window, another window?
Yes, sir.
Now it was asking some package. Okay, it was asking some package. What is the package name? Means it is a folder. It is one type of a folder. Because why I will tell you? Because normally in our real time industry, what happens? In our real time industries, what happens? We have number of folders. For a database, we have one folder. that folder we call a package. For database we have one package related. For service class we have one folder, one package. For business layer we have one package, one controller. So if we have any endpoints related, everything the related data means what everything we have, they will have some different packages. We have different packages. Suppose let us take one example. Suppose let me open my this one. See this one. Whenever I open the C drive, did you see everything is in folders?
Yes,
Did
sir.
I create folders? These logogram files, program 86 Windows, I created these folders.
No.
These came under with the Windows itself. Why they have kept these folders? Because to align everything, suppose system related stuff will be there in the system. Whatever, suppose input method related stuff will be there in the input related. So in that way, what they will do, they have created the folders. In the same way, in our life also, in our coding life also, we have to create separate packages. Now currently we are working on which one? Let us hope our package name is data. Now we are working on variables and data types, right? Variables and data types.
Data types.
Variables and data types. I have created one package. Now name. Here the name means class name. The class name. So whatever the name here you will provide, the class name also will. Yesterday I have told you, right? The file name and class name should be same.
Yes, sir.
So now let me type here students. One name. If you don't touch anything, okay, just come here. Here you see which method sub do you like. Do you want the main method directly or you want to type it? If you don't want to type it, select this box and click finish. I'm clicking on finish. Please check it. Observe here. Whenever I click on finish, check here. See here. Finish. Did you see one folder, one package has been created?
Yes, sir.
Did you see our file came students.java? See, whatever the class, if you click on this one, whatever the class here students, no need to see there. Just I'm telling this is the class, this is the main main method. Now we have one .java, students.java. Now you can see this package. What is this package? We will discuss clearly in further. As of now, just take this is one type of a folder. Okay, what is the use of package? We'll see that later. So now here see public class students. Now we have the file name and the class name is same. File name and class name
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Same.
same. So how much easy it is in Eclipse? While in writing in the notepad, we have to type each and everything, right? But
Yeah.
here, no need to write. Just we have to create a class. Automatically, the structure will come if as per the selection. Now, here this one not needed. What you have to do? Control D. See here. Sorry, guys. Whenever you see this type of line, just click on in front. Just Control D. Control plus D. It will delete that line. Okay. Now, first next one is let me write system dot out dot. See, whenever I'm typing, it was showing some suggestions. See, whenever I'm typing anything, it's showing some suggestion for me. This command is fine. System.out.println. This is the one which we wrote yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Under this, I will tell hi, I am a student learning Java program. Now you have to observe. You can see here star mark, related star. This one is called the file is not saved. What you have to do? You have to save it. Control yes. Otherwise, you can click here. This is also save. Now you can see we have start. Now we have one program or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, under this file, I have the students.java. Okay. The same way, whatever we have created in the local, in the console, the same file we got here, student.java. Now what we have to do? We have to execute this program. Okay. Now you can execute two ways. You can click here directly. See, whenever I am taking my cursor here, green color button, it states run students.java. If you click here, it will run. Otherwise, if you want, this is the main method. On this main method, click on the main method, right click on the main method. It will ask for run as, click on Java application. See, two ways. One is you can run this by this one green button. Another version is right click on it, run as, click on Java application. Okay. Let me run here. Are you able to see the output?
Yes, sir.
See how simple it is. Are you writing any commands? Java, C, file name dot Java, Java, file name. Are you writing anything?
No, sir.
No.
Okay. Now we got the output. Okay. Now, so can you write this program from around in Eclipse? Now,
Yes, sir.
okay. Okay. Now, this is our first program. Some basic program. Okay. Sir, yesterday you told about data types and variables. Sir, how? Now, can we play on some data? Now we will play related to variables and data types. We will write some programs. What you have to do is you have to right click here, right click on this folder. If you want to create the related all the programs related to variables and data types, you can create all these programs here. What you have to do is right click on variable, go to new, again go to class. Now you are going with new program. See, package source folder, under the data type source folder, under the data type source, package variables and data types is the package name. We no need to change it. We don't want to change now. Now we have to create one more file. That file related is, let me write numbers. I am creating one file related to numbers. See here, if I am not selecting this public static void now void strings here, main method, what happens? Click on finish. Okay, sorry. One minute. Package name should start with the small letter. Okay. Now, file, class, package name always should start with the small letter, and class name should always start with the, sorry, package name should always start with the small letter, and the class name should always start with the capital letter. Keep this in my mind. Now, my next one is, now I'm creating one more numbers. I'm not selecting this box now. Let's see. Again, finish. Now we have one more file, numbers.java.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, but but we have any main method here?
No, sir.
Earlier
No.
we have this main method, but now we don't have this. Why? Because we have not selected the checkbox. We have ignored that. So then what we have to do? We have to type it manually. Public static void
Main.
everything. So if you don't want to type it, what you have to do is main. Type main, hold our control and click on space bar. See, it will ask you main method, click on that. It is fine.
Yes, sir.
Now, sir, okay, till here it is fine. Now, what is next? What is next? Next is one more thing I forgot to tell you regarding system.out.println. What we have done, system we are typing, right? System.out. We are typing. If you don't want to type, what you have to do is click sys out. Just type sys out. See, whenever I clicked on sys out, it was showing some sysout.println, this command. Now what you have to do, control and space bar. Sorry. Sys out. What happened here? Yeah. Sys out, click on enter. Now you are able to see this one, shortcut. Two
Yes,
things.
sir.
One is main, this one related to main, and this one is related to sprint statement. Okay. Now our main target is, sir, now my target is int. This is what? This is data type.
Yes, sir.
Now I want some variable. I have given variable. See, one more thing. I'm just removing a. Whenever I have removed a, you can see here, it was showing some error. Sir, some syntax error, something it is showing. Don't bother about that. First, write your program. Whenever I clicked on A, see, now I have given A. This red mark came here. What it is saying? Syntax error. You have to insert the syntax error. Let me give one syntax. Now the red mark gone. Now what it is saying? The value of your variable is not used. What it is? The value of the local variable. Guys, we have here two types: static variables, local variables. Okay, don't confuse. I will tell you that how to use. Now this is int a. This is the data type. This is a is the variable. Till here it is fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's fine.
Now, sir, earlier, see here I will write two statements. I have to print a. Whatever the variable we have, I will print a. People will make mistake here only. See, it was not allowing me. Why? Because the local variable you have not initialized. Okay, let me assign some variable. Okay, I have assigned some variable. Now see, this is the data type. This is the variable. Under this variable, I have stored 10. Means this 10 has been stored in the A. Okay. Suppose, see, I will tell you one thing. Rather than number, I will give some character. It is taking? Yes. Why? I will tell you that one also. See, there were number of things to learn. Now I will give the number. Int A equals to 20. Now, let me write one more line here. Okay. See, here you have to observe two things. You have to observe two things. The things are, I am printing only A. I am printing A under the inverted commas. Whenever I print it, here it will print the A value as 20. Whenever I print here, it will print output A. Why? Because whatever we give under the double inverted commas, it always prints whatever we have provided under the inverted commas. But this is not under the double inverted commas. It is under the, this is not under, this is just is A. What is the A? A value is 20. Now let us see the output. Run it. Did you see the output? Same output.
Yes, sir.
So now you have understood what it is.
Yes, sir. Sir,
What is the, yeah.
if we give the quotations to the A, it will print like whatever the value we have assigned for A, right?
No, see, whatever inverted commas, it is like a text. If you want to write print any text, if you want to print anything, whatever you want, then you have to go with the double inverted.
Okay, sir. If you want to
If you
print the
want to print
value,
the value related whatever
yes.
this data we are providing, then you should not use it.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
That is
Thank
the
you.
reason here, if you observe, we have provided double inverted commas here, and for the test, I want to print these all things. If you want to print big story also, you can print here.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
This is the program. This is one more program. Suppose, okay, sir, can we add any other variable? Yes, we can add. But see, int,
Yes.
see, here you have to observe one thing. Int B I am giving now. It is what it is telling, a variable you didn't assign. Let me assign some variable. Int B equals to 10. Okay. What suppose if I have given A again?
Yes, sir.
This what happens? The JVM is there, right? JVM will confuse which A I had to take, whether I had to take this A or whether I had to take this A. JVM will confuse and it throws an error.
Okay, sir.
You can see a duplicate local variable A. Let me save it and run. Again, it's showing, see, there are some errors. Okay, no worries.
Yes, sir.
Exception in thread main unresolved compilation program duplicate local variable. Duplicate means A is whatever the A is there. This is duplicate variable A. It is line number 7.
Yes, sir.
Line number 7. You double click on this console, it will become small. If you want it make it big, double click on this. Okay. Now, so that is the reason what you have to do. Again, you have to remove this. Okay. Now you want to print B. I'm copying this line as it is. What here you have to give? You have to B. You can print number of times. A you can print number of times. If you want to print A again, you can print it. No issues. Now here what will be the output? What is the B value? 10. 10 will be the output. Let us run that program. See, 2010A is there. 2010A,
Yes, sir.
we got 3 outputs. Why?
Yes,
Because
sir.
we have 3 system.out.println outputs. Let me, as of now, remove this line. This will not record. Okay. Now,
Yes.
sir, I want to add this program. I want to add these two numbers. Okay, now we have two variables. One is a variable and is b variable. Under the a variable, we have stored 20. Under the b variable, we have stored 10.
N.
So, sir, I want to add. Now, my another one student asks, sir, how to add these numbers? Okay, let me tell you one thing. For adding, for suppose adding, normally what we will do? 2 plus 3 we will do. Okay. When we do 2 plus 3, what we will get? Some answer, some result or output we will get, that is 5. But, sir, you have, let us hope, take same numbers. 20 plus 10, we get the output, that is 30.
30.
Sir, you have stored the value 20 under A. Now you have stored the value 10 in B. Now, what about 30? Whatever the result you are getting, you have to store in somewhere again, right? So to store again somewhere, again we need one more variable. A we have in 20 we have stored in A, 10 we have stored in B. For what about 30? For 30 also we have to store somewhere. Otherwise,
Yes, sir.
where we can, otherwise how we can assign that? We have to one thing. Without storing, if you don't want to store it, what you can do is here under the system.out.println. Under this one, what you have to do, give A plus B. See, I'm not giving any quotes. Okay. Now, inverted quotes I'm not giving. Now you can see A plus B. I don't want to store in any way. If you don't want to store that output in any way, then you can print A plus B. Now, let me run this program. Why I got this one? Hey, you can see this star mark. You didn't save the project. So that is the reason it was saying save and launch. If you didn't save, you will get this pop-up. Then you have to click on OK. It will save and it will execute. Did you see the 30 output?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Sir, I don't want to do like this. I want to store the value. Then what you have to do? You have to take one more variable C equals to A plus B. See, we wrote A plus B, but still it is showing error. C cannot be resolved to A, which it is telling. C cannot be a result. It is cannot. We cannot take it as a variable. Why? Why you cannot take it as a variable?
We didn't give the int.
We didn't give the data type. So if I have to give the data type, the whatever the result we are getting, the result also is in the integer or not? The number or not? 20 plus 10, what we get the output is 30. 30 is the
Numeric
number.
number.
So that is the reason I have given int. Okay. Now we have int A is equal to 10, int B is equal to, sir. Then why you have not given int here, int A and int B? We should give, right? Why you have not given int A and int B? Tell me.
Because we already declared C as an variable.
Yes, we have already declared this. Okay. Well, already we have declared as int A is int B. Now whatever the what variable, what variable we have? The result in now 20 plus 10, how much? 30. 30, where 30 will store?
In C.
Where 30 will store?
In C.
In C. So now what I have to print here?
C.
What I have to write?
By
I have
C.
to write C.
C. Yes.
C. Now let me save and click on this one. See, did you get 30?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me run. See, commented related things I have not discussed with you guys. I just commented these lines. Whenever I commented, I cannot. This will not print it. Okay. Now let's see. Only what we have printed. Only 30 is printed, right? I have not discussed about the comments. Now we have three types of comments. Okay, single line comments, multi-line comments, and documentation type comments. I will tell you that. Now, as of now, we are printing only, we want to print only one thing, that is the output. That output will store in the C. So that is the reason we printed C. If you don't want to store in the C, then you have to give A plus B. Did you understand this program?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let me give, sir, suppose I am giving one more int D equals to 40. Let us take. Now it is fine. Everything int is the data type, D is a variable, 40 is the value stored in the T. Now I am changing one small thing. I am giving now double. Now we are giving double. For this one, what you have to do is, whenever you are giving double, you have to give a decimal. You have to follow the decimal numbers. Okay, you have to give the decimal numbers. Now, if you want to print it, how you can print this T? With the place of C, what you have to give? D.
T.
Now, I will print this. Suppose, let me remove this 40. I removed 40 and rerunning it. After I have given any dot 0.0,
No.
I didn't give, but it was showing the 40.0. Why? Because always double will consider the, it will always take it as a 40.0. Okay. The next one is float. See, float. Even for float also it will take in the same way. See, these are the decimal types. Did you get it? You can write in this way. This is the good one. In this way you have to follow for the double you have to give the D, and float you have to give F. You have to follow these things. Now we are good. Okay. Did you understand int, double, float?
Yes, sir.
In the same way. So now give here short. Give value 200. Should not take here. Minus 127. Minus. Okay. So that is byte, right? Let me give byte. See, now I have given byte. Whenever I have given byte, it is showing some error. What it is saying? Cannot convert from int to byte. Why it was showing this one?
Because it is
Anyone?
overload.
Cannot convert from int to byte. Why it was saying? Actually, sir, this number is 200. This 200 is related to the integer. but you have given byte. You have given byte. My range is only from minus 127 to 128.
128.
Okay. My range is small. Then why you are giving me 200? You make it as int. Okay. That is the way. See, now you have any error?
No.
Now we don't have any error. Okay. This is called typecasting. Okay. I will tell you later. You will get confused now. That see the output, everything got changed. That I will tell you later. Now, as of now, just consider whenever we give out of range value, it will throw an error. Okay. Now you are clear with all the byte int, why when you should use byte, when you should use sort int, why should not use int byte. If you use byte other than more than range, then what it will throw an error. Okay. Now I will give this as int. Now it is fine. Did you understand now all these data types? Are any doubts?
Yes, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Sir, next one is character. Sir, character. Suppose character, I will take a variable gender. Okay, gender is my variable. I am here to take single take, just I am taking M and giving the semicolon. This structure is fine or not? The syntax is fine.
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
the
sir.
data type. This time I have given one word gender. This is my variable. It is not like you have to give only one value C, A, B, C only. You can give anything variable if you want anything. You can give the variable name. Make sure that always the variable name should be a small letter. Now I have the character. Now if you want to print, how you will write? Tell me. Under this, what you have to write? To print a character M, what I have to write under that bracket?
Gender or
Gender.
Gender. We should not give double quotes. If you give double quotes, what happens? If you give double quotes, what happens? It will print
Print
gender
gender.
directly. It will not print gender value.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now let me print this. Did he printed M?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See here. Whenever I have given one more letter, gender G, is character accepting it? Invalid character constant.
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let me run it. What error it shows? Shows some error. Proceed. Showing some error. Invalid character constant. There was some compilation. See, it is saying compilation issue. Means that the compiler only it is telling, hey man, you don't know how to write character. You don't know the concept of character. Remove the G. So character always takes only one letter. Okay. Next one. What is the next one? Boolean. Boolean means true or false. Let me take Boolean is the data type. Pass. If your pass means what it will take? True. Pass means true or false.
True.
Now, under this gender place, what I have to write?
Pass.
Pass. Now let me run it. Did we get the values?
Yes, sir.
So we are assigning a variable. What we are doing? We are assigning a variable and we are printing the variable. Sorry, printing the variable value. Okay. Now it is clear for you data types related.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, guys, here one more thing. I will tell you one small thing here. Int A, int. Already we have written A, right? Int E and int E equals to 100. This int E is called, guys, see here. Here int, I should not give int here. See, writing int E or E equals to 100, these two are same. Means here we are, this is what these are called, means this is called a declaration. This is called initialization. See, don't confuse. This is the declaration. Whenever we are giving any value to that variable, that is called initialization. So here we have initialized the variable. First we have declared here. After that we have initialized. First we will declare, then we will initialize. Did you get this concept? Declaration and initialization.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the way we have to write a program. Okay. Sir, now here one more thing. String. String is one reference data type. We have primitive data types and reference data types. Under that, we have reference data type is string. String A equals to Varun IT. I will give semicolon. What it is saying? Duplicate value local. We already used A. Let me create AB. So, to write one word, can I use the string data type?
Yes, sir.
I can use the string data type. Guys, this is very important. This is some basic things. That is the reason I am taking time. Are you able to understand this?
Yes, sir.
Variables data types are very important concept. Okay. Now the next one. The next one is uh, what I want to say. Let me write some programs. I will write here 1, 2, 2, 3 programs. Let me go to class. Print, sorry, class name, right? Even numbers program. I want the main method. Guys, did you observe one thing? I am writing this all into everything under which method I am writing? Main method. Did you observe that? Whatever I am initializing the variables, declaring in where I am writing under the main method. These under the main method I am writing the variables. Whatever the variables are there under the main method, that variables are called local variables. Remember this point. The variables, whatever the variables we are declaring or initializing under the main method is called local variables. Suppose, see, I will do, suppose if I look at, take this one here, if I write here, see, can we write here? Yes, you can write it. But from here, you cannot print the variables. See, while earlier, while I'm using A again, it was showing some error, but it is not showing, now it is showing any error? No. Why? Because these are separate variables and these are separate variables now. To access these variables, the story is different. Those are called instance variables. The variables which are under the main method, those called local variables. The variables which are under the class and not in main method are called instance variables. Did you understand this point? We have two types of variables. We have three types actually: static variables, local variables, instance variables. Local variables, these are the variables which written under the main method are called local variables. The variables which written under the class, see, under the class and not in the main method is called instance variables. Local variables and instance variables. How to access these local variables? Now we have access. Now whatever these things we have done, we have accessed these variables. These are local variables. We have accessed these all. To access the instance variables which are under the class, that story is different. We cannot access directly system.out.println. Okay. Now let us go to the even numbers program. Okay, sir, we have one program also. Sir, even numbers, tell me even numbers means what? Anyone can tell me what is an even number?
The remainder value is 0.
The remainder is 0 when the number which is divisible by 2 and the remainder is always 0 is called even number. The number which is divisible by 2 and the remainder is 1 is called odd number. Now I'm writing one statement here. Divided by 2 and remainder is 0 is called even number. It is fine. Sir, okay, you are telling divided by number 2 divided by 2 divided a number by 2. Okay, sir, you are saying you are divided number by 2 and remainder 0 is called even numbers. What is that number? What is that number means first you have to take that number. Take one any number. See, now I will tell one more thing, guys. See, observe here. Now I am taking int a equals to 20. This int a is equal to 20. I am getting any error? No. Why? This is also a variable. I can write outside the main method. Under the class, I can write the main method. Under the class and outside the main method, I can write the variables. This is fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see here. I'm giving one example of whatever the class I told you. System dot see, I'm able to print the A now. Did you see that I'm able to print the A?
No.
It is showing error. Cannot make a static reference to the non-static field. Something it is saying. What is the static reference? I will tell you. Don't worry. But as of now, take it. We cannot print it. See, Whatever the variable we have written outside the main method, we cannot access directly. To access this variable, we have to learn a concept called objects. While telling you the features, I have told you class, objects, inheritance, abstraction, polymorphism. I have shown you something. Did you remember in the PPT? In that, we are going to the second. Already we are in the class. Class is like a blueprint. If you want to if you want to build any house, what you will do? First, you will go with the plan. I want these many bedrooms. I want 2 bedrooms. I want big hall. I want a open kitchen. I want any attached bathrooms. I want big veranda. I have to keep here. I have to keep one swing here. You will get all. You will be having all the plans or not. Before you are constructing a house, you will go with a plan. Whether you will have its own plan, whether you will consult an engineer, anyone will have a plan. Whatever the initial plan we have, that is called a blueprint. Some movies, did you observe some movies? Where is the blueprint? Give me the blueprint of the some people. In some movies, they will ask, give me the blueprint of drainage system. I don't know you people watch movies or not. If you did you see the Kaidi number 150 Chiranjeevi movie? At last, police asked the Chiranjeevi,
Blueprint of
he will see the drainage, blueprint drainage. Did you observe? Anyone have idea? So that is the blueprint. That is the class. Means that is the main thing. That is a plan. Class is nothing but a blueprint. That is a plan. Under the class, under the means as per the class, we are building the building or house. Okay. So that is the reason we are from starting to at the end, we are following the plan or not. So that
Yes,
is the reason here also we are following the blueprint. That is the reason whatever we are writing, everything we are writing under the class. Why? Class is a blueprint. Everything will be under the control of as a plan. So everything will be under the class. Now, did you understand what is class?
yes, sir.
Guys, any doubt about the class? If anyone have doubt, I will repeat it again. Everyone is clear? Jagdish?
So, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, stop sharing screen here, always. You able to see my screen, right? Okay. Now, okay, so how to access this one is we have to create an object for the class. As per creating the objects for the class, we can, that is the next concept. Now we will learn some basic programs. So I will remove this int a equals to 20 here, and I will write this one, this statement under the main method. Now we can access that variable or not. Now I can write here. Now I can this variable, no error. It is printing 20 without any issues. Okay, sir, but our main motto is not to print a value. Our motto is we have to divide by number 2 and we have to remind that it is 0. Means we have to show that number is an even number. Okay. Then how you will show it? Anyone can? Think just for 30 seconds. I will give you some time. Anyone? Okay. We know that 20 is an even number.
Yes, sir.
We will divide by 2 and 2 10 is 20. We know that anyway. So guys, one more thing. Whenever here we need to, we are asking to print an even number. But here one thing we need to understand. Okay, if I give 21 here, suppose, if I give 21 here, this is a odd number, this is an even number. It is not an even number, right?
Yes.
So we have to divide it by 2, then we will get the output. As per the result, we will get whether it is an even number or not. So for this type of things, whether it is an even number or not, to check it, we have to know a concept called conditionals. Concept called conditional statements. What it is? Conditional statements. What is conditional statements? It is like, what is condition? Anyone know? Some people will give condition. Okay, if you want some money, okay, I will give you all the money, whatever you want, but you have to do one favor for me. This is a condition or not?
Yeah.
This is a
Condition means
condition.
it is a rule which we need to follow.
This is a condition type. This is, did you understand what is this condition? Hello, Sai Kiran and Sindhu.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand this? What is this condition?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let me, before learning this, before executing this program, let me write few things. Okay. The next topic is conditional statements. Or control flow statements. Guys, 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Okay, guys. So conditional statements and control flow statements. So here, sorry guys, here conditional statements only, control flow is different. Okay. Now let us start the conditional statements. What is conditional statements? Conditional statements are used to execute group of statements based on condition. I told you, right? What is the statement based on condition? Conditional statements are used to execute group of statements based on conditions. Means as per our the condition, as per our condition, it will execute the program. Okay, as per our given, it will execute the program. So, sir, what is the first C? Here we have if condition, if else condition, and else if condition. Nested if. These are the three types. We should have one more. That is like if else and if else. Four types. These are the four types. If else, if else, if else like this. Nested if. Medical. First one is if. Guys, related to if, what happens? I will tell you. First one is if under the if, what happens is here you have to give if and under that you have to give the condition. Guys, did you observe everything is interlinking or not?
Yes, sir.
If condition. Sir, then what is if else? If else means if else. If condition see the syntax else here we don't need to give the condition. These are the syntaxes. If else. The next one is Next one is if else. Here we have, let me talk the different, later we talk if else, okay, else if. Now this is the nested if. Now let us talk about if and if else. Before talking about if else, here you have to know one more. See guys, everything is interlinked. Here you have to learn few things related to operators. What you have to learn here?
Operators.
Operators. What is the operators? Anyone have idea what are the operators? Operators. Operators
Addition.
are symbol. Yes, yes, someone saying something.
Addition. Addition, sir. Addition, subtraction. These are
Not
operators.
only addition, addition, subtractions. We have few types. Operations are 1 minute less. Okay, now it is fine. Operators are used. Otherwise, we can write operators. That is like operators is a symbol. Okay, like in this, operator is a symbol which tells us, not us, computer, which tells to the computer, which tells the computer to perform some operations. To perform some operations. Operation is simple, which tells to the not computer, compiler. It will tell to the compiler. Hey compiler, I am writing some actions, do it. Okay. So what are those? Here we have some few list. Arithmetic operators. Second one is relational operators. Third one is logical operators. Fourth one is assignment operators. Fifth one is conditional operators. Sixth one is, yeah, these many are there. These are the 5 operators. Now we will discuss one by one, guys. It is very easy. Don't get confused. Okay. First one is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators. Why you just take arithmetic operators? You know addition.
Yes, sir.
Operators are like plus, minus. Yes. Sorry guys. So plus, minus and multiplication. Next one,
Division.
module. Okay, we have these many, and percentage. And we have like increment operators and decrement operators. These are the one. Okay, so you know, right, what is the this one? Arithmetic operator addition, you know. Subtraction, you know, adding the two numbers is called this, plus addition, and then subtracting the two numbers is called, this is one operator, and this one is multiplication operator, and this one is the, this one what we happens, it will divide numerator by the denominator, whatever the quotient, you know, the quotient, whenever you are
Yes, sir.
doing the division, you know the quotient is the quotient. This, well, this symbol denotes the quotient. This one represents the remainder. This one are the increment and decrement operator. This one, as of now, this is important, but this, as of now, we are not, we will just not, will not discuss about this. We will discuss about this later. Okay, so this is about the addition, subtraction, multiplication, quotient result, and the remainder result, and these are the increment and decrement operators. Okay, now let me write one program. I have to show you. Let me go with this numbers program only. I am reviewing these all things. Under this, I will write int a equals to 10, int b equals to 20. Guys, now you are okay, right? How I am writing?
Yes, sir.
Now what I am doing, see here. What I am doing here, I am giving all the operators here. System.out.println a plus b, system.out.println a minus b, system.out.println multiplication b, another one what we have, percentage. This one fine. Guys, here, see, I will write one more thing. See here, this is one thing you need to understand. See, now if we print like this one, what happens? Let first I will run it. Let me save this one. Now I will run it. Save. Okay. Now I got the output 30 minus 10, 200, 0, 10. But this, as I know which one is addition, which one multiplication, I know. As per
No.
this here, I have to first one a plus b. Okay, this is 30. This is a minus b. This is 10. I have to see in this way or not.
Yes, sir.
So what I will do is, now I will add some text here. How to add this is, give two double quotes and give one colon. Okay. Here give addition of two numbers. Give here give small space. What happened? So negative on expected. What I have given. One minute, guys. This one I have to just remove. Yeah? What it is showing. Let me write this in the bracket. What was the error? Addition of two numbers, assignment operators expected after this token. The left hand side of the estimate must be a variable. The problem is line. Okay, sorry. I forgot to add this. Sorry. This is the mistake. Okay. This is the syntax. See, this is this way. Addition of two numbers you have to give in this way, and this is the value, and between you have to give small. This plus C. This here, whatever the plus is we have given here, it is not as arithmetical operator. Remember, this in the Java, wherever you have seen this plus doesn't act as always addition of two numbers. Sometimes if you want to give any text, if you want to add any text and number, then also you can use plus. Okay, so this is the addition of two numbers. Now same thing I will copy. Guys, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Subtraction, and I have to give here bracket. I need to give in the bracket because we are giving not only one variable, we are taking the two variables. Na? Here we have to give the division. So this is the
The
multiplication.
multiplication.
Multiplication. This is the
Division.
This is the division. This will give as a reminder of division. Something will give. Okay.
Modules.
Here what we have missed. Here we didn't give the bracket. We had to give two brackets. We have to close it. Here also we need to close the bracket. Here also we need to. I think if we didn't remove also it is fine. Let me check. Okay. If we don't remove give brackets also it is fine. Did you see now?
But it is combining also.
Yes. Now see. Now you see.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, whenever you kept the brackets, it was taking 1, 10 plus 20. If you don't give brackets, what it is thinking, okay, these people are adding with me text. Is the text right?
Right.
Text
Yes.
it is taking with the number, text with the number. That is the reason.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now you understood these are the operators. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the logical operators? Anyone have idea? Sorry, relational operators. Relational operators. Guys, this is the last topic of today's class. Relational operators. Okay. We will continue on Monday.
Okay, sir.
Next, relational operators. What is this relational operators? Used to compare. Relational operators are used to compare between values. Okay, between values are operands. Operands means whatever we are giving the assigning the value, na, that one. Now, see here. Greater than, less than,
Yes, sir.
greater than, equals to. As per using this, where we can compare or not with two values.
Yes.
Here, normally we will call variables in Java, but how in the operands we will call it as operands. A equals to B, A greater than B, A will be our operands. Okay, and one more thing we have, not equal, it is called not equal to, and this is one more, this is also an operand. We have these many relational operators. Okay, do you have any doubts on this?
No, sir.
You are clear with this, right?
Yes, sir.
These are the relational operators. Okay, these are the relation operators. Let us write one program. Guys, please let me know, are you able to understand or not, because it is not a Java class. Okay, it is a testing class. We are going on a flow. Okay.
Sure. Understand, sir.
Okay, next one is relation. I am creating a class relational operators. Okay, main method I didn't have. Let me copy from here. Otherwise, let me write main. Okay. Now, again we take int a equals to 10, int b equals to 20. Okay. Now, sys out. Under this, I will write greater. Otherwise, let me write here like this only. Whether a can write a greater than b. It is fine. We are comparing the two values. A less than b. A not equal to b. A equal to b, and one what we have missed, a greater than equal to b. A less than equal to b. Guys, are you able to understand this, what I am writing? Last one we have a double equal to b. Okay, now let me execute this program. Now you observe what we are getting, whether it is printing false, true, true, false, false, true or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
First one, a greater than b. First tell one, a
True.
greater than b. False or true?
False. False. False.
False. Next one, this one, A less than B, right?
True.
Next one,
True.
A not equal to B, right?
Yes, sir.
Next one, what is the next one? A greater than equal to B.
False.
A is
False.
not greater than or not equal. Both are false. That
Yes,
is
sir.
false. Sorry. This is false. What about this?
True.
A less than, A is less than B. That is fine. A less than equal to B means one is satisfying, right? A less than
Yes,
equal to B. Less than is satisfied. In both, one is satisfied. So true. A equals to B. Is A equals to B?
no.
No.
Did you understand now? These are the relational operators.
Yes. Sir,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, in the last but one, like system.out.println, A is greater than or equal to B is there, no, sir?
Uh-huh.
In that, if any one is right, it will show like true, and
True.
if there is, yeah, sir.
Yes, yes, that is right. We
If
have one
both,
more thing. Yes,
yes.
tell me. Tell me. Both satisfied also it will say true.
Okay, sir. If any one is satisfied also, it will show the treatment whether it is true or false, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, sir.
Guys, we have one more concept. Okay.
Okay, sir.
One more concept. Shall we complete the topic concept?
Yes, sir.
You guys okay? Because it's already 11 o'clock. Only 2 hours
Sir.
completed. If you want, I will complete. Otherwise, we can start tomorrow.
Continue, sir.
You can continue, sir.
Okay. Logical operators. Guys, this is very easy. Logical operators. Logical operators. Logical operators. Here we have few things like and, or, and then or, not, and or not, and or not. For this one and, this will this will they will return this one as in this way. For or, they will return like this one. Not, you know, right? Not, this is the not symbol. Okay, these are the not, this is the way they will indicate the operators, or how or will be. Okay,
Okay, sir.
now, so what is the use? You already, you are in the 10th class somewhere, you already, you might learn these things in the, I think in our graduation also, you can see and or not, they will draw some diagrams from
Yes, sir.
if you are
Yes,
anyone
sir.
from the EC background, triple E or any background, they will show some digital types
Visual.
0101 euro, right? In the
Yes, sir.
same way, here only one thing we need to remember: in the end, under the end, if both are true, I'm writing here both. And if both are true, the output will be true. If both are false, then output will be false.
False.
Okay. So did you understand? And if I draw like this, now here let me take some value A. Value B. We give the output. Okay. Suppose, let me draw this one. Okay. See, first one, suppose A is true. B is true. What about C? What about output?
It will be true.
True.
Now, if it is false, what is the output?
It will be false.
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 If it is true, if it is false, what is the value here?
False.
False. If it is false, A is false, B is true. What about this? False.
False.
Okay. Now you're clear, right? For this one.
Yes, sir.
This is about AND.
Okay, sir.
Next one is about R. R. What about this? If any one is true, what about this?
It will be true.
If any one is true, the output will be
True.
This is fine. The statement is right.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now tell me. Suppose if it is true, it is false. What is the output?
True.
True.
It is false. Is true. What is the output?
True.
True.
It is true. It is true. What is the output?
True.
If it is true,
False. False, sir.
sorry, sir, both are false, right? Both are
Yes.
false.
The
Both are
out-
false. What is the
false.
output? Put it.
False.
Now you understood, right? This one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one. And another one is not. Not means if one A is true, is false. See,
Reverse.
output. Okay. Now, if A is true, what about output?
False. False.
False. Output is false. What it is?
True. Oh,
This is for not. Very clear now, this one.
yes, sir.
Shall we write a program on this?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Let me create. Right click here. Are you able to create now? Right click on this. Go to class. Give the logical.
Name.
Guys, always follow. Actually, I have not said. It's see, first letter should be a capital. The next letter, next word, if you are getting, you make sure that that will be in the capital letter. You can see here, camel. This is called as camel case. Variables v. After that, package should start with the small letter. After that, any word comes, it is a capital letter. Did you observe that?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
These are like camel case. I want the main method. Clicking on finish. I want to remove it. Control D. Remove. Okay. Now we have to compare means what we need. We need two values.
Yes, sir.
Int A equals to
10.
10. Int B equals to 20.
20.
Yes.
Yes.
A equals 10. Int B equals to 20.
Yes,
But
sir.
one thing you observe, sir, related to logical operators, what we are doing, both are true. They are true in the end. That right?
Yeah.
Right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Here, how to write them? See here. Here I will write one step. How everything is interlinked. A greater than B. Okay. I am giving end here.
And
A less than B. A less than B. Now tell me what will be the output for this?
True.
First it will check A greater than B. A greater than B.
False.
A less than B is wrong. Means this is end condition.
false
Then
and
what
true.
will be the output? False. Did you
False.
now you dedicate how
False.
to use this?
False.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, again copy this. Same. Now I will use end. Sorry, or.
Or
This is called pipe. The people will call it as pipe symbol. Okay. It's
Okay,
called
sir.
type symbol.
Type symbol.
In your keyboard, it will be there. You have to type, you have to hold on the shift and you have to type it. Now, see now true.
Yes, sir.
Now it is true, right?
Yes, sir.
Next, what we have? Again, next one. I am writing A. See, how I can write this one? In this way, I will write. See, this one it needed. I will write A greater than B. A greater than B is true or false?
False.
False.
False. How you will want? I want to make it as true.
Reverse.
Reverse.
False to true, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Guys, whatever the programs I have told, even numbers, leave even numbers. Okay. To to understand the even numbers, there is
Sir, I
a
have one
condition.
doubt, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, now we have to compare with the and or no, sir.
Hmm.
With that two operands, sir, we can compare by not
So how
here.
we?
Sir, we have done the first one, sir. First one
Yeah. Hmm.
and next one or.
Hmm.
Okay. With two this comparison, we can do this not.
How we can do that?
Okay.
How I will tell you. Suppose,
How we
let
can
me take
mention?
here two conditions. A greater than B. Okay.
Mhm.
Let me write like this. A greater than B. Okay. Here I am giving or symbol. Or means what? It will satisfy the condition, right?
Yes.
A equals to B. Bracket is missing. See, bracket is very important. Under this also you have to give the brackets. Anything is missing here. This bracket is this bracket. Okay, you have to give another bracket. Still anything.
Here, equal to symbol is double equal.
It is double equals. Okay, that's fine. I think we don't need these many brackets actually. Let me remove these brackets. If you want to keep also, it is fine. Okay, it will be clear. Now see, what is the output action? Now I will let me remove this. Okay, let me run this. What is the output?
It will be false.
Why
False,
It
is
will
sir.
be
it
false.
getting false?
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
Okay, something is fishy for that. I will check that. Okay. Now you see, A greater than B, A less than B. One of the condition is satisfying.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Earlier, what happened? Earlier we have given equals to here. Both are not satisfied. Both conditions are not satisfied. That is their false. Now I am giving A less than B. One condition is satisfied, A less than B. We are getting the output as true. So now what I will do for this one, what I will do is I will add one not symbol. Let me run it. What you got the output?
False.
Do you understand now? Hello.
Sir.
Now you understood?
So can you explain it again?
Sir, it is opposite to OR, no, sir. Now you have done.
Yes. See, I will tell you. This is the simple thing.
Okay.
I will tell you one more thing. I am removing all this bracket, whatever is the bracket. This is the one fresh one, right? Now,
Yes, sir.
this is the now we are just getting the true value. I'm copying this and pasting here. True value,
Okay.
right? Now
Yes,
what
sir.
I will do, I will keep everything in the one bracket. These all things. Why? I have to use the pipe this one, not symbol. Now see,
Okay.
these all are in one bracket. Under
Yes,
this
sir.
one, actually it is that giving the true value. Now I will add the not symbol. Now let me run it.
It will show false.
Now it is clear for you.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Earlier it
Yes.
was like adding brackets, removing. It was like complex. Now it is easy.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it is able to see clear, right? I have made some big.
Yes, sir.
Now it is clear.
So this is the way you have to write. Now you are able to write how to write the how to use Eclipse. You are getting now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. This is about the today's class and practice about the logical operators numbers. I will provide yesterday video. I didn't provide it, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now what I will